Join me as I dive into the world of Vvpr stock and see if I can uncover whether it's about to explode or just fizzle out. Vvpr stock has been making waves in the market lately, and it's easy to see why. With recent trends pointing to a potential surge in value, investors are clamoring to get in on the action. But what's driving this sudden interest, and is it justified? As we take a closer look at Vvpr, it's important to acknowledge the risks that come with investing in this stock. Market volatility is always a concern, and even the slightest fluctuation can send shockwaves through the entire market. Additionally, Vvpr operates in a highly competitive space, and if they can't keep up with the big players, they might find themselves left behind. Furthermore, relying too heavily on a single product or service can be a recipe for disaster, leaving the company vulnerable to shifts in consumer demand. And let's not forget about the ever-present threat of regulatory changes, which can have a lasting impact on Vvpr's bottom line. Recent developments, however, suggest that Vvpr is taking steps to mitigate these risks. The company has been investing heavily in research and development, which could lead to new and innovative products down the line. Furthermore, their pivot towards emerging markets has the potential to open up new revenue streams. And with the current economic climate favoring growth-oriented companies, Vvpr might just find itself in the right place at the right time. On the other hand, interest rates are on the rise, which could increase borrowing costs for Vvpr and eat into their profit margins. Looking ahead, there are several key events on the horizon that could have a significant impact on Vvpr's stock price. The company is set to release its quarterly earnings report soon, which will give investors a better idea of its financial health. Additionally, rumors are swirling about a potential partnership with a major industry player, which could be a game changer for Vvpr. And let's not forget about the ongoing trade negotiations, which could have far-reaching implications for the entire sector. Upcoming earnings reports, partnerships, and strategic moves by Vvpr all have the potential to be major catalysts for stock price movement. If the company can deliver on its promises and continue to innovate, we might see a significant surge in value. However, if the risks materialize, we could be looking at a very different story. One thing is certain, the next few months will be crucial for Vvpr, and investors would do well to keep a close eye on developments. So, what do you think about Vvpr stock? Do you think it's about to explode, or will it fizzle out? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about the world of finance and investing, be sure to check out my other video on the top stocks to watch in the coming months.